Short term memory. So what is short term memory? Short term memory, or a short means less time temporarily. If we have to store the data for short time, then memorize short term memory. Also, if you want to recall temporarily for any information, then also you can memorize to short time memory. By taking example, the short term memory will be cleared where you are using the short term memory. For example, the example 1 is given, multiplication of 38 into 5. Okay, so if someone don't know the table of 38, then what he will do, he will split 38 into two parts, that is 30 into 5 and 8 into 5. 30 into 5 becomes 150 and 8 into 5 becomes 40. So by adding them it becomes 190, that is equal to 38 into 5. So during this process we have to store both intermediate steps temporarily in our memory to get the desired output. So here we are using our short term memory. Okay, so if any person he don't know the table of 38 or he don't remember, then he can simply split that number into the two parts. Okay, that is 30 and 8, and multiplying by 5, and what will be the output, adding them will be the final answer. So that was the example first. Let us see the second example. Second example is English question paper. Okay, the question is there. Carefully read this passage and answer the questions given below. After reading that passage, we have to read the question and have to find the answers of the questions. So I have to store temporarily the information from starting to end and need to understand what is context, where what story is exactly there. Okay, and what it will be used for answer. So according to there, here also we are using short term memory. So it is fact that access time for short term memory is less as compared to long term memory. That means the time which is required for the short term memory is very less as compared to the long term memory. Also the capacity of short term memory is very less. How? For that we can take the example. The example is, let us take the number 7610531594. Okay, so the number is written, and what you have to do, store this number as it is on temporary basis, and then have to write on paper. Sequence should be same, there will be no mistakes in that. So generally on an average 7 plus or minus 2, that much of digits people can write correctly. Okay, and it is the average case. So you can determine the capacity of short term memory from that, how much it is less. So I have to increase the capacity. So what I will do, I will play the smart move. So what I will do, I will group that numbers. Okay, uh, group of digits called as a chunk. There is no limitation of numbers in chunks. It can contain 2 or 3 numbers in one chunks. The benefit of writing into chunks is that you can remember 7 plus minus 2 number of chunks at a time, and it is increasing the capacity of short term memory. So as you can see, the number 7610531594 is written in the form of group. Okay, 76 is the one group, 10 is the another group, 5315 and 94, these are the different group. These are nothing but the chunks. Okay, the benefit of writing into the chunks will help you to remember easily that number. Next,